This is a drill. This is only a drill. Artists have their sketch pads. Musicians have etudes. We have writer's drills to refine your craft and improve your skills. Now, I sometimes speak about the magic's linguistic, and the magic's calendrical, and the magic's temporal, and the magic's musical, and so on, auditory. But a lot of people think it's sort of a put on, and it's me playing make believe about pagan magics. But I genuinely believe language is one of the first and most powerful magics. By speaking sounds on the air, one can communicate not only simple ideas like danger or horny right now, as many animals can. We communicate far more complex ones like a frittata would be incredible right now, but I will settle for this granola bar. Complex ideas can be coded into sound representations, objects to be imagined by a listener that then take action of some kind in the listener's mind the moment they have been constructed. Druids understood the power of language as magic. They understood, among many other things about language, that words set to rhyme and scan, spoken just a few times, can be memorized almost instantly. That the familiarity and comfort of such constructs makes them naturally learnable. Because the mind likes to learn. A formal couplet or quatrain may run on repeat in the brain, like the meaningless jingles for car donation programs for children or fast food distribution corporations. The secret most thing you yearn yet to do requires permission from no one but you. The secret most thing you yearn yet to do requires permission from no one but you. The secret most thing you yearn yet to do requires permission from no one but you. The old magic powers discovered anew can change how you function, I promise. It's true. This exercise comes in two steps. First, find something, anything, that you wish you had figured out earlier in your life and write it down. Take no more than 4 minutes to choose such a thing and then state it as clearly as you can in a simple sentence. Take a thing you wish you had figured out earlier and state it as clearly as you can in a simple sentence. Pause the video and restart it when you're happy with the clarity of your sentence. So now you have, I believe, a single clear sentence stating something you wish you had known earlier. Does it convey a single clear thought? Is there an active verb in it? Does the subject of the sentence do the thing that is expressed in the sentence? Now, that's beautiful. Now, take the idea you have just refined to a clear sentence and express it as a two-line couplet. That is
Couplet.
two lines that rhyme and follow the same scan. What scan you choose will not matter. So just make sure they sort of match. You'll feel it when you have a proper rhymed couplet. And here's a pro tip. Rough out the couplet fast and sloppy for rhyme and scan, then reduce neutral rhythm syllables as you remain within your scansion. The one I did earlier started as the things you have dreamed you might someday do need no one's permission. Tee off and play through. It's clumsy and weak, but it already feels right because it follows the rhyme scan formula. The secret most thing you yearn yet to do requires permission from no one but you. Write out or type out the couplet 3 times. The secret most thing you yearn yet to do requires permission from no one but you. If changes occur to you as you go, make those changes. Tighten, clarify. The secret most thing you yearn yet to do requires permission from no one but you. Milk meaning from every unaccented schwa sound to waste no tone nor passing breath. Let each sound take the listener's mind to some new understanding. Choose details. When you feel satisfied with the couplet, read it aloud 3 times. Let it roll around in your head. Repeat it to yourself anytime you notice you have an advertisement taking up valuable brain time. Write your couplet. Hone it so that every syllable within it is used toward the revelation of new information. The single line reveals itself. New information comes with each image, with each sound, with each sound. I challenge you with the highest of tasks. Step now into the esoteric of the magic's linguistic. I am always interested in hearing about people's experiences with these drills, prompts, and writing tools. If you find anything interesting about your own work and playing with this suggestion, please drop it in the comments below. I'd love to read your couplets and hear about how you're playing with rhyme and how forcing yourself into a scan felt to you. Active Voice Productions puts these pieces out into the world for free. If you want to help with that at no cost whatsoever, click like and subscribe below. Right on, people. Right on.